under Article 478A of Indian Penal Code. This was an increase of around 7.3%. There is a moment where you have to choose to be silent or stand up. Hi, this is Priya Dahiya and today's topic of our lecturate is crime against women. Crime against women includes dowry system, act of sexual harassment, violence, both sexual, domestic, physical or mental, abusive, kidnapping, abducting, stalking, etc. We all know that we are in the midst of great revolution in the history of women. Unfortunately, not all the women are aware of their rights because of illiteracy or we can say oppressive traditions. In 2019, National Crime Record Bureau displayed a report according to which there are more than 4,05,000 cases of crime against women under Article 478A of Indian Penal Code. This was an increase of around 7.3% from the last year, that is 2018. And according to the same report, Rajasthan is on the top of the list of rape of women. And on average, national crime rate of rape is 4.8. And according to National Family Health Survey, every third married woman have experienced physical and domestic violence, but only 1.5% cases were reported to the police and sought help. Not all the cases against women were reported to the police because of the society shame or patriarchal dominance, which prevent women from raising their voice for their justice. And even the culprit were very familiar that they prevent the victim from raising their voice. And the reasons, because reason of these crimes are the first one is bureaucrat. The rules and regulations are not strict and the personals in the police don't take fast actions. And second is the male dominant society where there could be many reasons. If the man upbringing in an environment where he has shown domestic violence against his mother, or if he is a habitual of taking alcohol, and second is if there was maltreatment during his child, or illiteracy rate, or that unequal gender norms which according to which they have right